Hello friends, this question is from the test series number 1. Subject name is network theory, topic name is sinusoidal steady state analysis, a 2 marks problem. Question says that for the current shown in the figure IT, you need to find the value of IT in the steady state. We need to find the value of IT, steady state value of IT in value of the current IT in the steady state. This DC voltage has a value V. Okay, so we have two volt sources here is available in the circuit, one AC source 10 sin t, one DC source 5t. Okay, so we can solve this circuit using superposition theorem, considering one energy source at a time. So if let's first consider the DC source. You know that if I will just consider the DC source, replace the AC source with short circuit, so you know that in case of DC source, in a steady state inductor behaves as a short circuit, no issues, and the capacitor behaves as a open circuit. In the steady state, capacitor behaves as a open circuit in case of DC source. Okay, so if the capacitor is behaving as a open circuit, so there will be no current, because current always flows in a closed path. So there will be no current in case of DC source. Right now we have only AC source, so in case of AC source we will have R, L and C. We have an inductor of 2 Henry, 1 farad, and the value of R is given as 1 ohm. So just find out the expression IT. So IT will be is equal to the omega is sin t, so omega of the circuit is 1 radian per second. So just find out the expression of IT is the current was voltage upon impedance, so voltage is 10 sin t upon R, that is 1, plus inductor, that is J omega L, omega is 1, so 2J, J2, capacitor is 1 by J omega C, again omega is 1 and C is also 1, so 1 by J. Okay, just solve, multiply with the iota, so it's like 10 of I sine of t upon J time J minus 2 plus 1, multiply, divide by the iota, so you will get the expression as 10 sin t by 1 plus J. This is the expression of IT. Just take the magnitude and the phase, so you will get the expression as 10 by root 2 into sine of t minus 45 degree, you know, IT. Just replace the iota in the magnitude, let's say magnitude into angle form. So the angle 1 is square plus 1 is square, angle tan inverse of 1 by 1. So this angle will go, it is 45 degree, this angle will go to up and it will be minus 45 degree, so it's going to be subtract. So we'll get the relation as 10 by root 2 upon sin t minus 45. 10 by root 2 is nothing but 7.07. So my IT is 7.07 sine of t minus 45. So this is the expression of sin t. So we have the option D is correct, right? 7.07 sine of t minus 45. So it's again a very good example. This problem is based upon the sinusoidal steady state. It's a very good problem in the AC analysis. Thank you.